Is your garden starting to feel a little crowded? Vines taking over your walkways? Leaves forming a jungle that hides your fruit and flowers? Don't worry, there's a perfect solution. Grow up! In today's episode, we're talking trellises. How to use them, what you can grow on them, and how to set one up in your garden. Whether you're working with a raised bed, container garden, or a full backyard setup, vertical gardening can seriously lift your game. Garden as though you will live forever. William Kent. Trellises help you maximize space. Growing vertically opens up room for more plants in your beds or containers. They also support plant health. Lifting leaves and fruit off the ground improves air circulation, reduces disease like powdery mildew, and keeps produce cleaner and easier to harvest. Plus, fewer pests can get to your crops. Lots of crops can be trained to climb. Here are some favorites: beans and pole beans, peas, cucumbers, melons and squash, tomatoes, and hops or tall herbs. Even tall, floppy plants benefit from a little extra support. And there are tons of ways to build or buy a trellis. You have your A-frame trellises, and these are available at most garden centers. These are perfect for peas, beans, and cucumbers. Vertical stakes with string. This is ideal for tomatoes when trained by a single leader. Modular, flexible, and easy to expand. Cattle panels, my personal favorite, strong enough to support pumpkins. I use mine as a garden archway and grow beans, peas, and baby pumpkins right over it. Laid on its side, it also holds about 8 tomato plants on each side. Lattice panels or fencing, great for lighter plants or decorative climbers. And there are always your do-it-yourself options. Get creative. Bamboo poles, sticks, even an old ladder. Anything sturdy and upright can become a trellis. Set up your trellis before or as you plant. Trying to add one later can disturb the roots and stunt your plant's growth. Anchor it securely, especially in windy areas, and be mindful of how it might cast shade on nearby plants. As your plants grow, gently tie or guide them up the trellis. Peas and beans usually climb on their own, and tomatoes and squash may need some help. Trellising is a simple way to grow more, stress less, and keep your garden tidy and productive. What are you growing on a trellis this year? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear. Let's grow!